Over the years, I've learned that everybody, and I mean everybody, wants to sound better. Some of my most popular videos gathered millions of views on this very topic. Are you looking to make your voice sound better? Well, today, I have something completely different for you.
Perhaps you recorded outside on your phone.
Or maybe you recorded in a big echoey room that's quite noisy.
Or worse yet, you're recording next to a fan.
You can see we can't always control the way we record, but we can do something about it. Hi, I'm Mike Russell, and in today's video, I want to show you how to make your voice sound better when using Riverside for your editing. Over here, I've got those clips that you've seen at the start of the video. I'm going to drag and drop them into Riverside. I'll tick to say that this is absolutely fine and upload all of those different recording sessions. While those are processing, why Riverside? Well, it's one of the new but not so new kids on the block. They've been heavily investing in AI capabilities, and I'm really impressed. So let's dive in to magic audio inside Riverside. Okay, as you'll see, it's already processed 2 of the clips and it's finishing processing the first one. Magic audio is designed to tackle all sorts of bad audio issues with one click. So here's the first recording. I'll need to go into the AI tools. It's up here in the top right. Click into it and look for magic audio. I simply click apply. That really is all I need to do, and just wait a few seconds.
Perhaps you recorded outside on your phone.
Amazing. Let's hear again before.
Perhaps you recorded outside on your phone.
And after.
Perhaps you recorded outside on your phone.
Incredible. And if I want to keep some of the outdoor ambience, I can always go down to about 58% and we'll get high quality audio with the outdoor sound.
Perhaps you recorded outside on your phone.
Much better sounding audio, but still a little bit of the outdoor ambience. Next up, let's edit this noisy room. Everything is wrong about the audio in here. We've got echo, it's a big room, there's no soundproofing, and it just sounds overall terrible. Let's have a listen.
Or maybe you recorded in a big echoey room that's quite noisy.
That is just awful in every way. But over here in the AI tools, I can go to my magic audio, apply it to my own speaking voice, and in a few seconds, let's play this back at 100%.
Or maybe you recorded in a big echoey room that's quite noisy.
That's incredible. Let's take that magic audio down to 0 and play it back one more time.
Or maybe you recorded in a big echoey room that's quite noisy.
Insane. And we'll go back to my AI tool, magic audio over here, back up to 100%, and we now have studio quality.
Or maybe you recorded in a big echoey room that's quite noisy.
And before we move on to the next example, I wanted to show you something you may not know exists in Riverside, and that is EQ tweaks. Making sure I've selected my track that has magic audio on it, I'll click track settings, and over here, yes, we do have the ability to choose EQ and refine the sound. I'll switch it on, I'll drop down, and you'll see we get presets such as crisp and clear, voice boost, muffle free. You've really got presets for every single situation. In most cases, you'll probably want crisp and clear because it just makes the voice sound better. So now not only have we removed the background noise, made me sound like I'm in a studio, but we added EQ, and this is the result.
Or maybe you recorded in a big echoey room that's quite noisy.
And then we'll go back and remind ourselves by switching off EQ, going to the AI tool and disabling magic audio. And remember, we started like this.
Or maybe you recorded in a big echoey room that's quite noisy.
All right, let's move on to the third and final clip that I'm going to make sound better. Really, in most instances, when you've got a fan, it's impossible to make it sound better, but don't worry, I can select this clip right here. I can go straight over here to the AI tools, go to magic audio, hit apply. The magic is added for me, and in seconds, we can now see that magic audio was applied to 100%. I can play this back.
Or worse yet, you're recording next to a fan.
No fan sound. It's literally blasting right next to my microphone, but we can't hear anything.
Or worse yet, you're recording next to a fan.
And remember, if the fan is important to the content we're creating, just crank down magic audio. Here it's at 63%.
Or worse yet, you're recording next to a fan.
And we still have the fan in the background, but my voice sounds much, much better. So there you go. As you can see, if your audio starts out windy, echoey, or full of fan noise, you are not stuck with it anymore. Riverside gives you the tools right here to take you from salvageable to studio ready in minutes. And here's the thing, I've learned after years of doing this that making your voice sound great isn't a one-time trick. It's going to be a journey. Every week, new tools come out and techniques evolve, and I'm right here testing them so you don't have to. I remember 5, even 10 years ago on this channel, I was playing with EQ curves in the parametric equalizer. Now we have intelligent presets. Before, I was using noise reduction plugins, and now Magic Audio can do it all for you. And if you want your videos, podcasts, calls, or anything with your voice to sound better, you are definitely in the right place. Throw a like on this video, hit subscribe, and join our audio community. It's all linked up down below. Also a link down below to try Riverside free for a month, and stick around as I'll always be showing you the best ways to sound your very best. Thanks for watching, and YouTube is showing a video on your screen you should watch next.